So what I want to do now is just to see how much time this will take from this to boiling water. So I'm just gonna go get some water and then we'll see. All right, so I got half a liter. There we go. Turn it on. Got this stand here that you could use as well. This is as flat as it's gonna get, but when you're out in the terrain, this is a pretty nice thing to have with you to balance it out. You can start to hear it now. It's 1 minute. Really close now. See the fog here. 2 minutes 30 seconds. That's a boil. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. Around 2 minutes 30 seconds, half a liter of water. That's a meal, and a little bit more if you'd like to. Of course, it's pretty warm in here, obviously, but I think with this setup here with the laminar flow, even if you would be outside, this wouldn't be that big of a deal. You can grab it, even if this is just boiling now, you can still grab it like this, hold on to it, no problem at all. Really no reason to take this off unless you want to clean it. You can do that. It looks like this on the inside. Just strap it on like that. I'm good to go. There you can see the markings all the way through the inside. This one got the G1000 material on the cover, and these studs, they connect better. They don't fall off that easy as they did on the last one. Minor weight difference, just a couple of grams up and down, no big thing there. Handle is also much easier to work with compared to the old version. If you're gonna connect it over, much easier. Couple of my personal thoughts on this one. I really like this locking mechanism here. It's not going anywhere. Also like the fact that the burner is really optimized for fast, easy, secure way, and the way it's combined with the protection here, laminar flow, it's also really nice. You don't need to worry about wind cover or anything like that. You can just pretty much set it up like I did. It's really easy to use. You just do two things here and then you're good to go. It's easy, it's fast, just like it's supposed to be. A couple of things that I like is that you can easily get it off, get it on. It's safe, it's secure, it's not going anywhere. Once you got it on, it's really stable. It's not coming off. I really like that because when you're out and things tend to fall, and just great thing with this one as well. The handle is really nice as well, that you can take it off and take it off so you can secure it like this. I don't know if I'm showing you that good enough. Secure it like that, hold it on. Nothing is going anywhere. Also nice that you can use other pots if you got that, or pans or whatever, with these three here. I like that feature as well, so you're not locked into this specific system if you're plenty of people out and other people have other systems, you can still use this one to get your cooking done. Some people might think this is small if you're a couple of people. That's fine. There's a bigger pot you can buy for 1 liter. And that's pretty much it for this review. Let me know what you guys think. I know some of you have already tried this. If you got any other tips on how to use this or what to do with it, let me know and we'll talk about it in the upcoming videos. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. As you saw from the title, we're doing a giveaway. This is the Expert Cinmat HL Winter LW. Great sleeping pad for all year round use. Here's what you got to do in order for you to win this one.